Welcome to my Maze Explorers, the ultimate destination to test and expand your knowledge through trivia puzzles and mind-bending challenges. Our channel is dedicated to stimulating your intellect and providing a platform for curiosity. Let's start. Neurology questions. Which part of the brain is responsible for regulating balance and coordination? A. Cerebellum. B. Frontal lobe. C. Occipital lobe. Correct answer. Cerebellum. Let's briefly discuss the functions and roles of the cerebellum, frontal lobe, and occipital lobe in the brain. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is primarily responsible for coordinating voluntary muscle movements, maintaining posture, and ensuring balance and equilibrium. It receives input from sensory systems and integrates this information to fine-tune motor activities. The cerebellum contributes to smooth, coordinated movements and is crucial for motor control and precision. Frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is involved in a range of higher cognitive functions, including decision-making, problem-solving, planning, and emotional control. It also houses the primary motor cortex, responsible for initiating and controlling voluntary movements. The frontal lobe plays a key role in executive functions and personality, influencing aspects of behavior and personality traits. Occipital lobe. The occipital lobe is primarily responsible for processing visual information. It contains the primary visual cortex, where visual stimuli received from the eyes are interpreted and processed. The occipital lobe is crucial for visual perception and the formation of visual memories. It allows us to interpret the world around us through the sense of sight. These brain structures contribute to the complex functions and abilities of the human brain. Each region has specialized roles, and their coordinated activity is essential for various cognitive and motor functions.
Question: what is the main function of the spinal cord? Thinking and reasoning. B. Transmitting signals between the brain and the body. C. Digestion. Correct answer. B. Transmitting signals between the brain and the body. Let's briefly discuss thinking and reasoning. Transmitting signals between the brain and the body, and digestion. Thinking and reasoning. Thinking and reasoning are cognitive processes that involve mental activities such as problem-solving, decision-making, and logical deduction. These processes often engage various parts of the brain, including the frontal lobe, which is associated with executive functions. Thinking and reasoning are fundamental to higher-order cognitive functions, allowing individuals to analyze information, make informed decisions, and adapt to their environment. Transmitting signals between the brain and the body nervous system. The nervous system, including the brain and nerves, is responsible for transmitting electrical and chemical signals throughout the body. Neurons in the brain send signals that travel along nerves to control various functions, such as movement, sensation, and organ activity. This rapid transmission of signals enables communication between the brain and different body parts, allowing for coordinated actions and responses to internal and external stimuli. Digestion. Digestion is the process of breaking down food into smaller, absorbable components that the body can use for energy and nutrients. It involves mechanical and chemical processes, starting in the mouth and continuing in the stomach and small intestine. Proper digestion is crucial for nutrient absorption and energy production. It ensures that the body receives the necessary components for growth, repair, and overall well-being. These processes are integral to human functioning, showcasing the complexity and coordination required for cognitive activities, communication within the body, and the extraction of nutrients from food for physiological needs.
Question: which neurotransmitter is associated with mood regulation? Serotonin, B. Dopamine, C. Acetylcholine. Correct answer: serotonin. Let's briefly discuss the neurotransmitters serotonin, dopamine, and acetylcholine. Serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in regulating mood, sleep, appetite, and various cognitive functions. It is often associated with feelings of well-being and happiness. Imbalances in serotonin levels have been linked to conditions such as depression, anxiety, and mood disorders. Medications that target serotonin are commonly used to treat these conditions. Dopamine. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter involved in various functions, including motivation, reward, motor control, and pleasure. It plays a role in reinforcing behaviors and is associated with the brain's pleasure and reward system. Dopamine dysfunction is implicated in conditions such as Parkinson's disease, schizophrenia, and addiction. Medications that affect dopamine levels are used in the treatment of these disorders. Acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter involved in the transmission of nerve impulses, particularly in the central nervous system and at neuromuscular junctions. It plays a crucial role in muscle contraction, attention, and memory. Imbalances in acetylcholine levels are associated with conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Medications that affect acetylcholine activity may be used in the treatment of certain neurological disorders. These neurotransmitters are essential for communication within the nervous system, influencing various aspects of behavior, mood, and cognitive function. Balancing their levels is crucial for maintaining proper brain function and overall well-being.